very dull day here in Scotland, so I've retreated to this absolutely beautiful area for a night under the tarp. So I've camped in this location before, actually a hammock camp. It's absolutely gorgeous. Got the forest, and then you've got the sea. Can't really go wrong. Clear their area there. Set me tarp and bivy up. Hey, that should be all cosy. Got me help kit bag, bivy. It'll be nice and snug in there tonight.
Rocking her to sleep. Wind whispers in the tree.
So it's just starting to get dark, so I'm going to get tea on shortly, have a couple of beers and just chill out. Well, when I say chill, I've got some cocktails to test.
Lost the battle. Secrets are hard to keep. She's still waiting, holding on through the night. She's still waiting, wishing time could make it right. She is waiting. Dawn is bringing morning light. She's waiting to end this fight.
Time for cocktail testing. Is strawberry daiquiri, darling? Mmm. That's nice. I've got shelves under my eyes. Is it the light? That's a light. Fucking hell. It's freaky. You seen Borat? So funny. Isn't it? It's for my wife. I like. Okay, what's next? Passion fruit martini or pina colada? Decisions. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a fish by the toe. That one. It's a bit tart. Is tart a word? It's tart. Tart. Okay, last one. It's the pina colada. Ay, ay, ay. Can you say this? Oh, wow. Oh, slush. Oh, I like. Mm. Morning. Had a lush sleep. So comfy and cosy. Just going to get some breakfast done because I'm clamming. That's me ready to go. I've had a lovely time out as always. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you next time. Bye.